Hello everyone, it's your girl Olivia back with yet another video. And in today's video, I'm going to be doing one of my faithful clients. His name is Bari. And I'm going to be showing you how his braids look when we first took them out. And then I'm going to be pressing his hair today. Bari is a fashion designer / model. So he just wanted to press his hair out for a different look for his photo shoot. So let's get right into it. First, I'm going to go in with my Super Skinny by Paul Mitchell. And the top wasn't working, so I just took it out and applied it to his hair directly. And I'm just putting this in to protect his hair from the heat and add a little bit of shine. So now we have his hair in the first section. I'm just going to go in and part this off, and I'm just taking my Paul Mitchell 427 paddle brush. I'm going to link everything in the description box down below. So that's why I don't answer the questions, because I feel like if you watch my video and you're listening, you would know that it's linked in the description box, everything I use. And I'm just going in with my Rust-Be Freak blow dryer. This is my ultimate favorite blow dryer, and I'm just going to start taking his hair in small sections and blow drying. Now, because Bari has a ton of hair, his blow dry took me about 35 minutes, but that's because I like to take it low and slow. So I'm just going to fast forward through this part, and I'm going to get to the end when we're almost done, because I don't want this video to be forever. So yeah. And this is also, side note, this is my day off, so that's why I got on like my Victoria's Secret PJs with a shirt that don't match. I was just chilling. He was my only client for this day. So yeah, we were just having a good time. So now he's all blow dried out, and I'm going to go in with my S3 spray by Influence, and I'm just going to spray this all over his hair to make sure it's saturated and get ready for the press. Another side note, I like to use this comb that I got from Cosmo Pro. I forget the exact name, but it's like a jet black comb. I love it because it has a nice little rat tail on the end, and it's a burn-proof comb. So I've literally left this comb on my flat iron and my blow dryer, and it has not melted or burnt through. It's not a cheap comb. I believe the comb retails for about $10, but it's so worth it. And I have about 5 of these because when I drop them, I don't like to pick them up, put them back in my client's hair. Normally when I drop them, I'll put it inside of a Barbicide and just grab another one. So that's just a little side note to help you keep it moving. Just invest in a burn-proof comb, guys. It's like the best thing ever. It's burn-proof and bleach-proof. So now I'm just going in with my Rust CTC flat iron, link in the description box down below, guys. And I'm just going in and pressing his hair in sections. I'm going to do like maybe 1 or 2 passes on each piece, but Bari's hair can handle it. He has very thick hair, as you guys can see, and I want to get his hair bone straight. And yeah, we're going to fast forward through this part. It's pretty self-explanatory, but I'm just going to press his hair out, and I'll come back when we're done. So now we are completely done. I just like to spin my clients around and face them towards the mirror so that way I can put in a straight middle part, because for some reason parting hair is my kryptonite. So whenever you see me parting hair, I have them facing towards the mirror. And he just wanted to do like a middle part, something real sleek, basic. He's a pretty simple guy, easy to please. And I'm going to spin him around also so you guys can see how his hair looks from the last time we trimmed it. We trimmed his hair about 4 months ago, and it's still perfectly even all the way around. And yeah, I'm just adding a little bit of shine spray to it. Not shine spray, what is this? A little bit of my, I forget what this is. I'm gonna tag it down below. I think it's called Sleek Play by Design Essentials. And it has like this, I don't even remember, guys. Some lady gave this to me a while ago. I've been using it ever since. I love it. But it's by Design Essentials, and I'll link it down below. I believe it's like mango something or like papaya seed and something. Y'all, I'm gonna link it down below. But yeah, I'm struggling trying to remember what it is. But I use this all the time. And I'm just putting in just a little bit of serum in his hair just to keep the shine and make sure that his hair does not revert back because it was raining this day. And yeah, we are pretty much done. So as always, don't forget to like, comment, hit that subscribe button. And I'm going to spin Barry around and let you guys see how his hair looks. Very healthy, very even. It's been a year now that Barry's been coming to me. His trip to Rome was awesome. He was telling me all about it. And yeah, this is the end result. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Everybody have a great day.